Want to start owning extra cash on social media? In today's crowded digital space, monetization takes more than just showing up and posting content. You need a social media strategy. You can earn through social media by working with brands, using platform-specific monetization features, and selling products or services. In this video, we are going to talk about earning through social media. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. TikTok. You can earn from TikTok in multiple powerful ways that go far beyond just posting fun videos. The first and most popular method is the TikTok Creator Rewards program, which pays you based on how many authentic views and engagements your videos get. To qualify, you'll need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views within the last 30 days. Once approved, every viral or high-performing video can generate money directly into your TikTok balance. Another great way is through TikTok Live Gifts. When you go live, your viewers can send you virtual gifts that can later be exchanged for real cash. So the more interactive and entertaining your live sessions are, the higher your earning potential. You can also take advantage of brand partnerships, where companies pay you to showcase their products in your videos. You don't even need millions of followers. Micro-influencers with smaller but active audiences often earn solid income through sponsorships. Then there's affiliate marketing, which lets you earn commissions when followers purchase products through links you share in your bio, captions, or TikTok shop. On top of that, the TikTok shop feature allows you to sell your own products directly on the app, making it easy to turn your audience into customers. Instagram. You can earn from Instagram in several effective ways that turn your content into real income. The first and most reliable method is Instagram monetization through Reels bonuses or the Creator Program, where Instagram pays based on views, engagement, and consistency. The more you post high-performing Reels, the more you can earn from ad placements and performance bonuses. Another major source of income is brand partnerships and sponsored posts, where companies pay you to feature their product or services in your content, and you don't need millions of followers. Even micro-influencers with strong engagement can earn well. You can also make money through affiliate marketing by sharing product links or discount codes in your captions, stories, or bio, and earning a commission for every sale. The Instagram shop feature is another powerful tool. You can sell your own merchandise, digital products, or custom items directly to followers without needing an external website. Instagram subscriptions are growing too, allowing followers to pay monthly for exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, or private live sessions. YouTube. You can earn from YouTube in several strong and sustainable ways that make it one of the best platforms for long-term income. The most popular method is through the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to earn money from ads that play on your videos once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Your earnings grow based on ad views, click rates, and audience engagement. Another major source of income is channel memberships, where your subscribers pay a monthly fee to access exclusive badges, content, or perks you offer. You can also earn from super chats and super stickers during live streams, as fans send paid messages to show support in real time. Affiliate marketing is another smart strategy. By placing affiliate links in your video descriptions, you earn commissions when viewers purchase products you recommend. Many creators also profit through brand sponsorships, where companies pay to feature or mention their products in videos, which can bring in hundreds or even thousands per deal. Plus, YouTube lets you sell merchandise and digital product directly through your channel's merch shelf, connecting your audience straight to your store. With consistency, valuable content, and smart monetization strategies, YouTube offers multiple income streams that can grow into a full-time business over time. Brand partnerships and affiliate marketing. You can earn from brand partnerships and affiliate marketing on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any social platform by turning your influence into income. Brand partnerships happen when companies pay you to promote their products or services in your content. This could be a short mention, a full review, or even a creative collaboration. The amount you earn depends on your audience size, engagement rate, and how well your content aligns with the brand's image. Even if you're a small creator, brands often look for authenticity and loyal audiences, not just big numbers. On the other hand, affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions every time someone buys a product through your unique link or discount code. You can include these links in your video descriptions, bios, captions, or stories, and get paid for driving real sales. It's one of the best ways to build passive income because you can keep earning long after you've posted. Combining both strategies is powerful. Brand deals give you upfront payments, while affiliate programs create ongoing revenue. By building trust with your audience, choosing products you genuinely use, and sharing honest recommendations, you can create a sustainable and profitable income stream through partnerships and affiliate marketing. Selling products. You can earn online by selling product through different platforms, turning your skills, creativity, or interest into steady income. One of the most effective ways is creating your own online store using platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or even social media shops on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. You can sell physical products such as clothing, accessories, handmade crafts, or beauty items, or go digital by offering ebooks, online courses, digital art, or templates with zero shipping costs. Many people use print-on-demand services to design and sell custom t-shirts, mugs, and posters without holding inventory. The company prints and ships for you after every order. Another great option is drop shipping, where you sell product from suppliers who handle the packaging and delivery, meaning you only focus on marketing and customer service. Social media also plays a huge role. You can promote your store directly through posts, stories, or TikTok shop, driving organic sales from your audience. The key to success is offering high-quality products using clear branding, great visuals, and strong marketing strategies like influencer promotions or paid ads. With the right niche, consistent effort, and creative promotion, selling products online can grow from a small side hustle into a full-time business that earns even while you sleep. Building your audience. One of the most powerful ideas to earn online is building your audience, because everything, from brand deals to product sales, starts with people who genuinely follow and trust you. Building an audience means creating a loyal community that values your content, personality, and message. Start by choosing a niche you're passionate about, whether it's fashion, fitness, business, or lifestyle, and create consistent, high-quality content that educates, entertains, or inspires. Use platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram to reach people and take advantage of trends, hashtags, and storytelling to boost visibility. Engage with your followers through comments, DMs, and live sessions to build real connections, because people buy from those they trust. As your audience grows, doors open for brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, digital product sales, and sponsorships, turning your content into income. Remember, algorithms change, but a loyal audience stays. So focus on providing value, being authentic, and showing up consistently, because once you've built a strong audience, you've built the foundation for unlimited earning potential online. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.